What if I said it's still very essential prep work before you start the real home nails dipping? Spend almost 100 for your kit and follow every detail you've been asked to, give the cuticle clean, and you have the dehydrate and primer liquid. It seems you put a ton of chemicals that hopefully will help you achieve a successful nail goal. The answer is a big no if you do not have a very clear mind before starting. Is this your very first time at the home salon or dip? Have you ever tried other nail systems just to shift to a nail dipping system? Did you ever spend at least a few hours to learn or recap the very fundamental knowledge and skills before you really make an attempt to start a dip powder manicure? Stop imagining the master level manicure, for example. A very slim French and perfect curves comes with a cashmere nude base. There was a dual smile curve design with shimmer fuchsia and a sugar vibe fine glitter to get it bold again. That was too far from the real knowledge and skill you know and how to process. But to start with any contrasting color combo, for example, a few solid colors, blender with a shimmer, a glitter, or even super shine, which is definitely the right routine to start you home nails dipping from the very beginning. Comment if you still have no idea about creating the color combo, and I'll tutor you some for the next video.